Welcome to Align Book. This is our level 1 session in which I will be covering the dashboard part and the company setup part. Also, I will be covering that how you are going to log in into the software. So first of all, you have to go on Chrome. You just have to simply search Align Books. You have to click on very first link. As the time you will click on the link, this main page for the Align book will come on your system. So before starting with the training, let me brief you about the training process at our place. To check that, you have to go on support. You just have to take your cursor there. You will get a drop down and you have to click on training schedule. This page will come in front of you. So from here, you can see that we provide training level wise, like in 3 levels, that is level 1, level 2, and level 3. And these levels are repeated from Monday to Friday on different timings. Like you can see that on Monday at 10 a.m. we have the offline session, then 11 we have the level 1, then level 2, then level 3. We also provide the module wise session, like for production module, for employee and asset module, for job work, and for CRM and CVSS. That also in English also, and in Hindi also. So you can check the schedule from here and you can join accordingly. Next, if you want to see that what all data we are going to cover in these levels, so you can check that from here, like in level 1, we will be covering the dashboard and company setup part. In level 2, we will be covering the masters creation and transaction creation part. And in the final level, we will be covering the reports, GST filing, and user management part. To join the training session, here is the link for that. It's a Google Meet link. You just have to click on this link and it will redirect you to Google Meet page. There you just have to click on ask to join and you will be into the session. If you want to like guide any of your employee or any of your partner or manager, so you can guide them for this page, and from here they can easily join the training sessions. One thing you have to make sure that after joining the session, you have to share your registered company ID or your company code or registered email ID or registered phone number in the chat section. Okay, one more like important update, like if you are taking the training session, so at that time we will be like informing you, or you can say we will keep you updated about the new updates or new features. But later on, if you want to check that what all new features or new updates we have given into the software, so you just have to click here to know more, and it will redirect you to this what's new page. And from here, date wise, you can check that what all new updates or features we have like given into the software, with proper explanation that what impact it will give on that particular point. So you can say on a weekly basis or twice in a month, you can come and visit this place. Like this will be very helpful so that you will be like able to use all the new features efficiently and effectively. Next, for logging in, you just have to click on this login option. You have to click on Align Books Online. Then here you have to put your credentials, like your email ID or user ID, then your password. In case you didn't know your password, here we have given the option for I forget my password. You just have to click on this. A 4-digit OTP will be sent on this email ID, that is your registered email ID, and you can mention that OTP and you can easily change your password. Let me sign in. Okay, as the time you will sign in, this dashboard will come in front of you. So let's start with the first option, that is our Align Books logo. When you will click on this, you will be able to see your subscription information, means when you have purchased the license till when your license is valid, what is your product type, and how many users are allowed into your product. Next, here we have a calendar kind of icon. When you will click on this, from here you can change your financial period. Like currently, all the entries will be done in 1st April 2021 to 31st March 2022. But if you want to make any back date entry or back year entry, you just have to select the year. Okay. And yes, you can see that the year has been changed. Okay, next here you will be able to see a 6-digit code. So it's a company code that is assigned to your company by Align Books when you will buy a license here, and this is non-changeable. Then here you can see your company name, like it's showing as RP Traders. Then you will be able to find a plus kind of icon here. When you will click on this, a quick menu will open. If I'm talking about these modules, so there are few like points or few top options that are mostly used, like your customer, vendor, item master, invoices, purchase bill. So we have given all those quickly used option here in the quick menu, that you can directly open those options from here. You are not required to get into any of the modules. Next, the most important point, that is for support. So during the time of training or after this training, like if you will be facing any query or any doubt, in that case, you can reach out to us. This is our IVR number. You can, in the case of urgencies, you can call on this number, or by clicking on click here to raise support ticket. You can raise a support ticket for yourself. You just have to mention some nominal details like your contact number. Make sure the person who is having the queries are mentioning his or her contact number. For example, if your HR is using the software and she or he have any query or issue, in that case, they need to mention their number. Then next, subject of the issue that you are facing. Then if it is related to any particular module, then you have to select that module from here. Then here we have given the option for category also, like it's desirable, urgent, or work stopper. Then preferred date or time, like if you have any preference in date or time, like if you are available in the evening only, or you are available next day, so you can mention that preferred date and time here, and on the basis of that only our team will be calling you. Next option is for description. So you have to make sure that your description is more precise and briefed. Like the more clear your description will be, it will be much more easier for us to connect you to the right department and to the right person. After that, simply you have to click on submit. As the time you will click on submit, a ticket number will be displayed here on your screen. Now we have multiple benefits of raising a support ticket. Like here we have given the option for view report. By clicking on this, you can see your support history, like for what all time you have raised a support ticket, and what is the current status of your ticket. And if it's resolved, then what resolution our team has given you, who have supported you. You can check all the data from here. And at our place, the tickets are resolved on real time basis, so for sure you will get a call very soon. Okay, next here we have an option for notification. So if you have created users and you want to give any kind of notification to them, so from there, from this add notification option, you can add the notification, and that will be shown to the users. Okay, so next here we have an option for search. So if you want to search any voucher or any entry in this whole software, you can easily search that from this option. Next here we have the option of refresh. So if you are doing any implementation or you are doing any setup, in that case, once you are required to refresh your software, so that particular configuration, and that setup will be implemented. Next, here we have the option for opening transaction, like how you are going to feed your opening transaction. So this thing will be explained to you into the level 2 session, that how you are going to feed your opening stock, your bills against any customer, against any supplier, or you want to add your opening financial. So this thing will be explained to you in the level 2 session. Next, we have the configuration part that we will be discussing at the end. Now, here in the left side, we have all the modules that will be covered in the other levels and the module wise session. When you will come on this bottom line, here you have a YouTube option. When you will click on this, you will be able to see multiple links here. So yes, we have our videos on YouTube also. So here we have mentioned the title and the description, means what all data we have covered in that particular video. Then we have the sessions in Hindi also and in English also. So you can join, like you can check the links and you can join as per your convenience, either in English or in Hindi. And you can see like we have multiple videos there also. So it will help you to use the software more efficiently. Next, here we have the option for FAQ. So when you will click on this option, here you will get 100 plus question, like 100 plus generic question, which are like for sure comes in one's mind when they start using the software, like how to delete any sales invoice, how to delete it in a bulk, then how to create a support ticket, how to modify, edit an existing voucher, then how to export documents and PDFs. So you will get the answers of these questions stepwise for each and every. So if you want to explore the software more, so once you can come on this page and check from here also that how you are going to do these particular things that we have mentioned here. Moving further, next here we have the option for help. So if you are going to buy any item or any product, so for sure you get a manual with it, like how to use or what all features is there in that product. So similarly, this help option is a manual for Align Books. Like here you will get each and everything. Like if we are talking about dashboard, so here each and every icon is explained very properly, like what's its impact and how you are going to use it. You can see the things are explained here very clearly. If you want to see the module wise, you just have to click on modules. You will get all the modules here. Even in modules also you will get all the options that came when you click on that particular module. So you can, if you want to explore the software, this is also a best option. From here also you can explore. Moving next, in the right side, the first option is for banking. So you can easily manage your banking information, like quick banking transaction from Align Book software. If you are integrated with ICICI Bank, in that case, you just have to download the statement and you can reconcile your data. But in case you are not integrated with ICICI Bank, so you can simply download the format from here. Then you can upload your statement and then you can easily reconcile your data. Like it's a, you can say, a few minute work, like very easy work. Next, here you will get the dashboard for your receivables and payables. Like from here only you can send reminders to your customer. Next, here we have the dashboard for our GST also, like which is a major tension nowadays, like how to manage your GST. So from main dashboard only, you can easily manage your GST filing, tax liability, reconciliation, and 2A and 2B statement. Moving further, just give me a minute. Let me change my financial period. Okay, so this is our main dashboard, which is very informative. Like if I talk about a businessman. So what so information they need at the day end or in the beginning of the day is available here. Like when you are closing your software, at that time you can easily see what's your sales for the day and for the month, your purchase for the day and for the month, how much is your receivables, how much is your payables, and what's your current cash and cash equivalent balance. So these five details you can easily see from the main dashboard. You are not required to go into any voucher, any report, or anywhere. Then from here you can see your inventory detail, like which six items are mostly sold. Then what's your monthly expenses, what's your operational expenses, how much is your cash inflow and outflow for a month. Like here you will get a graph for the whole year. Then if you are integrated with these e-commerce platform, then from here only, like easily you can manage their dashboard. Like for Amazon, you just have to click on Amazon, and here is the dashboard of Amazon, and you can manage your Amazon completely from the software only. Same in the case of Shopify, you can manage your Shopify, Paytm also. So if you are going with the integration of these e-commerce platform, then easily you can manage these dashboard from main dashboard only. So this was all about your dashboard. Next part is our configuration.